This video goes over how to set key event values in GA4. First, start at analytics.google.com. Next, make sure you're on the admin page. You can get here by clicking the bottom left tool icon. Scroll down, click Key Events. On this page, you'll see all of the events that you marked as key events. If you need to still mark an event as a key event, please watch the video on how to do that in my YouTube channel. So first, find the key event that you would like to change the value of. So for example, we'll go to Form Submit. We'll click these three dots. Click Set Default Key Event Value. Next, you would click Set a Default Key Event Value. If you're on US dollars, keep it, otherwise select what you need. And then assign the value. So however much this event means to you, for $10, $100, whatever you would like it to be, and then click Save. You will then have a value for your key event. Thank you for watching.